tongue right there. That is so funny. Oh my god.
This is my brother.
Sean, you're very bad at brushing teeth.
Brushing the dog's teeth.
Okay, Sean.
He's lucky he gets his own toothbrush.
Look at that. The tongue. It's hilarious. Don't hit my camera with the toothbrush. Jordan, you silly boy. You're a silly boy. You're a silly boy. Move your head. It's so big. You're a silly boy. No. Bad doggy.
Did he bite you?
Bad doggy. Go lay down. Go. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. No, shut. Just stop. He's gonna bite you again. Lay down.
Your toothbrush and things for him, hon.
Lay down. Lay.
Well, it'd be okay if I hold his mouth.
Good. He's my good boy. He's my good boy.
Nice.
Okay, no, Sean. He had enough. No more toothbrushing today. Okay. All right. Say bye bye, Sean. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Ew.